afternoon, everyone, and especially to Sir Jano. Good afternoon, sir. So, we are presenting here, sa among title is Cybersecurity Policy for Tagulman Community College. First is the acceptable as.
Acceptable use. All users are responsible for using college technology respectfully and ethically, following all applicable laws and rules and while utilizing the institution's technology resources. Users are required to exhibit a professionalism and respect by adhering to intellectual property rights. It is forbidden perform action that compromise the network security and violate privacy. Protection access network resources without authorization. Share log information with others. Next presenter.
Password management. To protect your account, create unique and complex passwords that are not easily guessed. Regularly update your password. Sharing passwords with others is regulatory. For example, in your login Facebook or Gmail, you should change it at least 1 month of your password. And also your password should be capitalized, very smaller or and number. Next presenter please.
Data security. Users are obligated to safeguard data from unauthorized viewing or sharing and to abide by data protection laws, such as FERPA, Family Education Right and Privacy Act of 1974, and all sensitive information should be encrypted whenever it is being transferred or stored to protect its confidentiality and integrity.
Cyberbullying and online safe. Remember to careful online and avoid sharing personal details. If you if you experience any online bullying, harassment, or other appropriate behavior, make sure to report it. Those type of action are strictly provided. Cyberbullying means being mean or hurtful to people online. Always be careful and don't share personal stuff. And if someone bullies you online, tell someone and report it. It's not okay and it's against the rules. Next.
Social medias. When using social media, college students must adhere to the institution established rules and expectations. It is their personal responsibility to maintain proper behavior and protect their privacy while engaging on social media platforms. For example, lugar kanang Facebook. Kay ang Facebook may atong kanang madalian nga gagagamit sa pag communicate sa atong pag-eskwela. So dapat yun nga atong protektahan ang atong mga like pag-chat sa unsa labi na kay munay kanang perminti gagamiton nato sa kada adlaw nay possible nga nay imong mga importante diya nay makahilabot so dapat protektahan nato ang atong Facebook. Next.
Copyright and fair use. It is essential to follow copyright laws when accessing digital content. Unauthorized sharing or copying of copyrighted material is prohibited. Next.
Secure awareness training is essential for all faculty members, staff, and students to participate in comprehensive cybersecurity awareness and training programs. And users must be educated to identify and protect against common digital threats such as phishing, scams, social engineering schemes, and other malicious online. Kini nga training naghatag ni sa mga tao sayon og pahibalo nga kinahanglan nila masayod nga batok sa mga kadalasan digital nga panganib sama sa phishing scam, social engineering schemes, and other malicious activities.
Reports suspicious activity. Users are promptly report any suspicious activity or security incidents to designate authorities to assist with the quick response to cybersecurity issues. Issues reporting mechanism will be established. Next.
Those. To enhance your online security, regularly update your software, including security patches, to patch up potential security flaws. Beware of attachments and links. Exercise caution with opening attachments from unknown senders or clicking on links. Encrypt sensitive data before sending or storing it on electronic devices to protect it from unauthorized access. Make sure you have regularly backups of your data so that it can be restored in the event of loss of corruption. Pay attention Pay attention to suspicious activities and security alerts and report them promptly to the designated authorities. Next.
So this is the don'ts. Do not share access codes or log information with anyone unauthorized. Avoid actions that could violate privacy or security regulations. Refrain from downloading or distributing copyright content without authorization. Unauthorized individuals are prohibited from attempting to gain access to or make changes to computer networks, systems, or information that they are not authorized to access. Refrain from downloading or installing software or application that have it, that haven't been authorized, as this could pose risk to the security of your system.